record button. 33, 34 right there on the Russell is a long opportunity. Okay, and here it is on the Russell. You want to bump that stop to break even after 10 ticks in profit. It just hit 10 ticks in profit. Now we want this to run up to the weekly trading zone right here. All right, I'm going to lock in 10, but we want to run up to the weekly trading zone. If I hit the break even button, what happens here? Okay, brings that down. I'm going to lock in 10, 15 now. Okay, it should get up through the prior swing high to the weekly trading zone right here, but we have 15 ticks locked in on this trade right now. Okay, the high of the day is right there. It should go up through that. Actually, it should go exactly to that. The high of the day is right at the weekly trading zone, so it should go up there to that right now. I missed the YM trade. The YM also had a trade right over here that I missed. I'm going to lock in 20 ticks on. Is that 20? That is 20. 20 ticks there. Okay, so we're out with 20 on that Russell trade.